Quizzes can make or break your course. Here's the problem. They take forever to build one by one. We know this because we've been doing this with our courses. In this fast track, I want to show you how to use ChatGPT to pump out bulk multiple choice quizzes, then drop them right into your Go High Level course. This is going to save you hours and make your course way more interactive. So let's jump in. Now, in High Level, there are quizzes that go with membership lessons, and then there's a whole other option to go into sites and create and build custom quizzes. We're going to focus on the quiz in the membership course. So you'll go into memberships and select the course that you have created. And inside the course, you're going to see all of your categories and lessons. Now, I'm going to show you everything about membership courses. We have a full course for that. What we want to do is add a quiz, or what they call assignment, to the actual lesson. So you can do this for each lesson, or you could just do it for a single course. When you see this top part, this is what we call your category. You're going to select the little plus button right here. And what we want to do is add an assessment. We're going to call this exam since it's a single course. And right below this, you're going to see type. One says assignment and one says quiz. Assignment would be if you had homework or needed attachments. We're covering multiple choice questions, so we're just going to call ours the exam. I'm going to go ahead and select this lesson. This is the category and this is the lesson. And we can give our exam a name, have the exam have a passing grade. So let's say we want to do 70% or 75%. You can select that, add a fun thumbnail, and then you want to put a message here. After they take the quiz, it sends them to either a pass confirmation page or a fail confirmation page. What we've been doing is adding a question. So if you click add a question, you have to add them one by one. So you have to keep adding the question. That's kind of a pain. So we're going to clear that out, and we're going to utilize ChatGPT to help us import questions. Now, right here where it says import question, this is where it gives you the sample data. You can just download the CSV for now. So what we're going to do is you want to download the sample CSV. Let me go ahead and download that, and let me open this up. Now, you can manually go in here and add all of your questions and fill this out however you'd like. But why do that if we can use AI to help us make this go a lot faster? So you're going to see the titles here of what they're wanting you to do. There's a question ID, there's a mandatory question. Okay, well, if you're like me, it's like, all right, I don't want to go through and add all these questions, but you can. So you can select single choice, multiple choice, the options, and then over here is where you would select the correct answer or any explanation if you want. That's optional. So let's just go ahead and close that out because I don't want to go in and have to do all this. I've created a sheet here with some example prompts, and I'm going to show you the one that we've been using to create our exams in our courses. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and highlight this prompt, and I'm just going to copy the prompt, and then I'm going to come over here to ChatGPT, and I'm going to put that prompt here. Now, there's a few things that we need to do. What are the questions? What do we want to pull from? And ChatGPT needs the CSV. Here's what we do. With each course, we add what we call a reference guide. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select either my student workbook or my reference guide. Now, you can also attach the transcripts to the course. If you've got transcripts that you've done or a reference guide, any type of information that is what your course is about in detail is going to help. So what I did was I added a PDF version of our reference guide, and now I need to add that CSV. So I'm going to go ahead and import that CSV example to ChatGPT. Instead of having to go and fill out that worksheet and put all of our questions in, what I've done is I've asked ChatGPT to please create 25 multiple questions related to the attached reference guide course details. Include some options that are fun or humorous, keep it clean, and then create a CSV file using the attached CSV format so that I can download the correct format for my import. You must follow the guidelines of the attached CSV. So I've been very clear. Now you can select any prompt you'd like. You can create your own, but the most important thing that you want to do is tell ChatGPT that it must follow the guidelines of the CSV. All right, let's go ahead and let ChatGPT do its thing. It's pulling from the quiz import and reading my PDF file. Now we've got a lot of data on here. Or again, if you had 5 transcripts, you would want it to read through those 5 transcripts. So we're going to let it analyze that data. And then what it's going to do is come back and give me a CSV file. We'll give ChatGPT a couple of minutes to analyze the file. If you select this little arrow drop down, you can usually see what it's doing behind the scenes. It's creating all of our questions. It's putting it all together. Kind of fun watching this do all the work versus me doing all the work. You could walk away, you could go do something else related to your course, create something. You could be doing something else while we let ChatGPT do all the work for us. And there it is. I created 25 multiple choice questions based on the Sell More, Market Smarter course reference guide. Here is your download CSV. So let's go ahead and click on that. We're going to download this. We just gave it a title and we'll save it. All we got to do now here is go back to our import, drag that file in here. There's the title of my CSV. Let's go ahead and open that up. Here's my quiz. It's all attached. Let's go ahead and upload that. And look at that. There are all my questions. 25 questions. Of course, you're always going to want to double check to make sure this question have the correct answer. And it does. I see it's checked right here. I know that's the correct answer. You can go through every question and just do a quick double check to make sure that the correct answer is the correct answer and make any adjustments. That's a whole lot faster than going in and typing in every single question. We know because we were doing that. This import is amazing. This is recommended to do with multiple choice or single choice questions based on the CSV. And there we have it. Our quiz is ready to go. Once it's in, don't forget to select Publish so you see the green check that it's published. We'll go ahead and select Preview. Let's scroll down here, and here is my exam. I can then begin to start my quiz, and here it is. Beautifully designed and easy to read, and everything is done for you, just like that. So feel free to use the attached prompts or create your own. Just make sure that you're very specific in the prompt to follow the CSV attached guidelines in order to get the correct CSV. And that's how you can build a full set of multiple choice quizzes in minutes instead of hours or even days. Now it's your turn. Use ChatGPT to create your first quiz and load it into your membership course. If you want more step-by-step lessons like this, head over to the Learning tab in the community, or if you're not inside the community, go to course27.com, learn for free, and grab free sample lessons and resources just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you inside.